Introduction to Liberty 2. Welcome. This Leopard 45 is a South African production-built blue water cruising catamaran. In simple terms, it's a home on the water designed for comfort, not speed. It's fully self-sufficient and extensively equipped to sail to remote locations for long periods of time. On the technical side, Liberty 2 weighs approximately 20 tons when fully loaded and has 3 diesel engines, one of which is a 9 kVA generator. At sail, it cruises nicely at 6 to 9 knots. Anything faster becomes less comfortable for all on board. While the yacht can comfortably seat up to 12 people, we limit this to 6 friends for shorter stays of 1 to 2 nights. For longer stays, we reduce that number to 4 to ensure maximum comfort for everyone on board. Boarding is via the aft steps. We have a strict no shoes and no sand policy on board, along with dress guidelines. Check our website for more information on this topic. The dinghy is lowered electrically and acts as our car on the water. The yacht features 2 outdoor seating areas, one at the front, accessed through the forward door, and another here at the aft. The various seat lockers are used to store swimming gear, shoes, fishing equipment, batteries, fuel, and other on-board essentials. The enclosed raised helm area is our primary sailing position. From here, the yacht can be operated single-handed, which is quite significant for a vessel of this size. It means one person can safely manage the yacht without leaving the helm. The left saloon area comfortably seats 9 around the table. This table can be lowered, forming a cruising bed used for offshore sailing. There is storage beneath all seating, as well as additional storage below the floor with our emergency essentials. The right electrical panel is located above the fridge freezer. We run 2 rows of 12-volt DC power, along with 1 row of 110-volt AC and 1 row of 240-volt AC. All of our power is generated on board via a large solar array, larger than most homes, which feeds into an extensive battery bank. This entire system is controlled through the electrical panel's touchscreen. Individual switching is managed here too. The fridge freezer is compact and runs from the battery system. We are particular about the fridge freezer use. Please refer to our website for more information. The galley is small but a functional single-person workspace. On the upper surface, you'll find a bread maker, ice maker, toaster, and kettle. The induction cooktop accommodates 2 pots. And the microwave is a 4-in-1 unit with microwave, steamer, air fryer, and oven. The galley sink has 2 taps. The smaller tap provides fresh, double-filtered and mineralized drinking water, while all the other taps on the vessel supply safe drinking water, just without added minerals. To the right, there is a wash drain area for dishes. While at sea, we produce all our own pure water through desalination, used for drinking, showering, and washing. If it tastes different from city water, it's because there are no added chemicals. When it comes to food, we prefer to organize everything using a shared kiddie system. This, along with drinks, is covered in our what to bring and what not to bring section. Please take note of the fridge and freezer notes. The front door leads to our second outdoor seating area, which comfortably accommodates 4 people. Forward of this space are 2 large lockers, one containing our water tanks, 600 litres total, and the other housing a backup generator for the solar system. We utilize the full starboard hull while on board. It's similar to the portside accommodation but includes additional radios, a washing machine, safety equipment, and access to most electrical alarms and circuit breakers. The port hull is reserved for our friends' accommodation. If you're staying overnight, check the website What to Bring section regarding pillows and bedding. Each room has its own ensuite, including a toilet and shower, 4 in total. The forward cabin is generally quieter and more spacious with more storage and a larger ensuite. Some friends prefer the aft cabin, which is smaller with less storage space, however. It has more bed width space and is easier to get onto. All cabins include underbed storage and a hanging cupboard. Operating the toilet and shower is essential reading on our website. We cover this and provide information on soaps, hair dryers, and even toilet paper. We will be reviewing the toilet operation once on board, so a general understanding would make this practical exercise a lot easier and quicker. About some safety equipment. 1. There are 6 standard personal flotation devices, or PFDs, available for friends. Please check the location map on our website for their storage position.
Next, you put the device around your neck with the clasp in the front. You pull around your waist, clasp in the front, and pull it tight. It's not very
2.
flattering.
If you could locate the 6 emergency exits, 4 in the room ceilings and 2 doors. 3. The saloon fire extinguisher is located in a labeled cupboard beneath the mast step. We ask you to memorize the fire extinguisher, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep theory before boarding.
There are 2 important things to remember if you ever need to use an extinguisher. First, make sure that you never place yourself in a position where the fire is between you and a safe exit. Keep the fire in front of you and the safe exit at your back. And second, remember the pass system. Pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. When you need to use the extinguisher, first pull the safety pin from the handle. Then, aim the extinguisher nozzle at the base of the fire. This is the spot where the flames are touching the fuel source. Next, squeeze the handle to activate the extinguisher. And finally, sweep the spray back and forth across the target. Continue until the fire is out. If you are unsure that you can put the fire out, evacuate the area.
You will be notified if any other emergency equipment will need to be perused prior to coming on board. The last topic is the actioning of emergencies, valves, and switches. Unless you have been instructed to complete our other offshore safety videos, please wait for instructions from James and/or Marianne. We hope this introduction leaves you inspired, and we look forward to welcoming you on board soon.